Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question 3. Give any two ways in which non-biodegradable substances would affect the environment. अब हमें non-biodegradable substances के दो effects बताने हैं. So, non-biodegradable substances affect the environment by the following. First, they contaminate soil and water resources as they cannot be decomposed by microorganisms. क्योंकि माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स इनको डिकम्पोज नहीं कर सकते, सो ये सॉइल को और वाटर को कंटामिनेट करते हैं, खराब करते हैं. These substances, if eaten by stray animals, can harm them and can cause their death. अगर stray animals जो हैं, stray cows, stray dogs, etc., अगर वो इन substances को खा लें, तो इनसे इनकी डेथ हो सकती है. So these are the two ways in which non-biodegradable substances can harm the environment.